Hello, in this video I will talk on the generic classes. In this project I have created a project and I have a tester class and a cat class. Okay, so initially they are just empty, so cat class is empty. In the tester class we have just a main method. In the cat class, let's have two instance variables. One of them is private string, and let's name it name. The other one is private integer h. Okay, so here in the and also the problem is that let's say I want to have h both integer and also it could be, let's say, double and or maybe just string. Okay, so to do this, instead of integer I would like to make this data type generic. Okay, so here in the cat, so I use angular bracket. So in the angular bracket I can just type anything I want. Okay, so this doesn't make too much sense. Okay, and the naming convention is some people use e and some people use t. So let's use the t. So and also instead of int I can just use t in here. And also let's have a constructor, a parameterized constructor, public cat. Okay, and so string, so let's say n, and also here for the h I use t as the data type, and then let me just say a, and then assign name n, and this is h equals to a. Okay, and also let's display the info. So let's have another function. So public void, and let me just say display info, and system out println, and let me say name. Okay, and between the name and h just put a column and then h here. Okay, so now let's create a cat in the tester class. So here, because this is parameterized constructor, I'm sorry, so this is generic class, not constructor, generic class, and we use in the angular, let's say I will use an integer for the cat. I cannot say int because int is so you must say, okay, integer. Okay, and let me name this C1 new cat integer, and then inside of the parentheses the first one is name, so let me just use C1 as the name of the cat, and then the age of the cat, let's say 2. Okay, and let's display the info C1 display info. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, it worked. So C1 and 2. So what if I do this as the string? So it says, okay, it says the constructor is undefined. So you say cat integer, but if you pass string, there is no string and string constructor, so this doesn't work. Okay, let's create another cat. So here I say cat, and in this case let me do this. string. Okay, and C2 new cat. Okay, okay, so C2, and for this one let's say 5. Okay, 5 years old. So it is okay to use this one. So this is inferred one. So here I say C2, okay, display info, and okay, so C2. All right. So let's see how this works. Okay, so it works C2 and 5. Okay, now let's put this in a array list. So here I can have array list, and for the type cat. Okay, cat. So let me name this A, meaning the array list. New array list. Okay, cat, and that's all. Okay, so now let's add them. So A dot, let's add C1, and also let's add C2. Okay, so in a for loop, so let me use enhanced for loop. So each item of this array list is a cat, and let me name it item. I could name it anything, but let me use item, and then the name of the array list, A. So every item is a cat in each iteration. Item display information. Okay, so now let's see how this works. Okay, so C1 is 2, C2 is 5. Actually, let me just comment this out. Okay, so consider that I want to display all of the cats where the age is integer. Okay, so I can put an if statement inside of the loop. I can say if, and first let me get, so let's look at the get, so let's create getter. So I need to access it, so I will know if it is integer or a string. So let me do this. For let's have the getter. So do we need setter? So let's keep the getter only. So getter returns the data type, which is t. Okay, and let me say get age, and this returns age. Okay, and as you see, the return type is t here. And let's go back to tester class, and here I say get the age item dot get age. So this is either integer or string. Okay, and I want to know if it is integer or string. So here I can use instance of. So instance of, if it is integer, okay, let me put this here. So then display the info. Okay, now let's see how this works. Okay, it worked. It displays all the cats where the age is integer. And if I want to display all the cats with the string age, okay, let me run this. Okay, now it displays all the cats with the string age. I hope this is clear. Have a nice day.